Today we are going to take a look at what happened in the stock market after the tweet we had from Donald Trump on Friday mentioning that he would be imposing 100% tariffs on China coming November 1st. So on Friday, the stock market came down pretty fast. So let's take a look at what happened today. Are we experiencing just a dead cat bounce or a real bounce? Let's start with Tesla. Then we are going to look at gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Tesla closed at $435.90, up $22.41. This is 5.42% higher. Let's look at what these numbers mean on our chart. Tesla is still moving higher. This is the bullish trend that Tesla has been in since April of this year. So since April, Tesla has been going higher. Recently, we started to come close to the resistance side of the bullish channel. This is the resistance side, this is the support side, and we tend to zigzag between the two, and we see it clearly here. So recently, we were towards this resistance side, and slowly we are going to the support side, which is pretty far. This is where it is. So Tesla would still be into a bullish channel even if we would go back down to 369. And we are at 435. At the same time, we have other patterns at play. We have a smaller bullish channel that is indicating the move up that we have been experiencing since August. And this is the support side of the bullish channel, and on that support side, we rested perfectly on it last Friday. So last Friday's move was not a catastrophe for Tesla. It is still into this big bullish channel, and it is still into this steeper bullish channel. So far, everything is super good based on those two patterns. A third pattern that we can look at is this congestion zone right here. So stocks are supposed to zigzag into a congestion zone, and the congestion zone is between 420.46 and 452.13. And on Friday, we broke below that congestion zone. So this was showing us a little bit of weakness, even though we stayed into the steeper bullish channel. And today, this is very interesting to see that the congestion zone is completely intact. The low of the day is at 419.70, and the congestion zone, the bottom, is at 420.46. We are 80 cents off of $420. Nice move today. We have not recuperated stochastic over 60. We need stochastic over 60 to give credibility to any move up that we are seeing. So today, the move up on the daily chart is not believable yet. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we have way more candles and we see way more patterns. This is the first hour of the day right here. Gap up on the first day above 420.46 right here, and we found resistance at 426.47. First hour, second hour, third hour, we broke it. This was a buy signal on the 1 hour chart. We had stochastic over 60 back, we had our bullish reversal indicator, and we went up to 436.67. Then we had a little bit of problem, and towards the end of the day, we started to go back up and close just below 436.67. This was a buy signal that we mentioned on the private Discord server for our members. Next up, we need Tesla to break 440.13. We could get a buy signal tomorrow if we break that 440.13. It would then bring us back as a target to 452.91. Conversely, if things go quite bad, if we start to go lower than 411.71, then this is going to be the sign for us to start shorting. So we had a profitable buy signal today. Maybe we are going to get another one tomorrow. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. Look at the VIX that we had on Friday. Super high VIX, went as high as 22.39. And today this is cooling down, so we are at 19. We like the VIX to be at least below 20, so it is below 20. It's still an elevated VIX. We need to check this. Taking long positions in the market is quite risky right now because there's a lot of uncertainty between China and the US. What is Trump going to say next? I suggest that if you are in profit like we were today, you take your profit and you should be happy with it. We are going to watch tomorrow if we cannot get VIX lower than 1849. If we have it below, this is going to give us more confidence to get long again. Let's take a look at the stock indices. Dow Jones had a pretty big move down yesterday. It has not recuperated everything today. On Friday, we broke below the 21-day moving average, and now we could not climb back above it, even though we have a green candle, even though we closed high today than on Friday by 1.29%. SPX also recovered a little bit, 56% higher. If we take a look at the 1-hour chart, we have not gained back stochastic over 60. We need this in order to believe any move up that we see. So this means that currently we should not believe this move up that we have. If we start breaking 67, 77 right here, then we should be getting back stochastic over 60 at the same time. And then we can say that SPX is back into its original congestion zone that it fell from on Friday. Nasdaq also a nice move up, but so far we can only consider this a dead cat bounce because we don't have stochastic over 60. We have no technical indicators that are signaling that this is yet. It could come tomorrow. It could come tomorrow, but it's not here right now. Russell, this is a lot better. Look at this. We have stochastic over 60. And the Russell came back above its 21-day moving average. So, this one has recovered a lot better on the 1-hour chart compared to the other stock indices. On the daily chart even, yes, look at this. Our bullish indicator is back. And also we have stochastic over 60. So, this is quite impressive for Russell. So small caps are back. Let's take a look at gold and silver. So gold climbed higher, 2.25%. So yes, gold was affected on Thursday, not on Friday, and it is continuing. This is the rate of ascent that we have with gold. Silver was affected Thursday, was affected Friday. It was making a small tap at 17. Now today, boom, closed at 17.28. We have stochastic, we have all of our indicators. So, silver is really full steam ahead. Bitcoin, the good news is that this is bouncing on its bullish channel support. This is the bullish channel. So it is bouncing nicely on it. We have a green candle right here. We have a green candle on Sunday that closed higher than where we closed on Saturday and also on Friday. This could be seen as a nice bounce. We don't have stochastic over 60. We don't have our reversal indicator yet. There is a little bit of risk still. Once we are going to break above 118, 194, then we are going to gain a little bit more confidence that this move is really going to last instead of just coming back down. Ethereum, we have stochastic over 60 so far. The market is still open. We'll see where that candle finishes. But we had a nice move on Sunday and we are continuing yet. So maybe at the end of this candle, we could even get the reversal indicator to turn bullish. But so far this has not happened. Another good news is that we are back into our congestion zone right here, which we were last week. Sandwiched in between 4,091 and 4,857. So we are back into that congestion zone. So at least this is pretty impressive. This is pretty nice. Yeah, the market as a whole has not recuperated everything. So I think people are still cautioned a little bit to see where things are going to be between the US and China. But we are seeing some stocks doing a lot better than others. Let's keep watching for the rest of the week. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.